Namaste students.
Namaste, ma'am.
This session will help the students to learn organic chemistry, chain reactions involving group learning interactive sessions, role play and rhythm. There is a beautiful saying, if I can't learn the way you teach, please teach me the way I can learn. So this session will help the learners to identify their learning difficulties and practice organic chemistry name reactions by developing self-learning methods. Wish you all good luck. Let's move on to the session. In yesterday's class, what did we learn about?
Chain reactions.
Can you name few reactions?
Aldol condensation, Cannizzaro reaction, Figurstein reaction, Schwarz reaction.
Yes, very good. Any other reactions?
Coates reaction, Riemann reaction, coupling reaction, Woods reaction.
Very good. What happens in these reactions?
Reactants are converted to products.
Yes, in all these reactions, reactants are converted into products. So, what happens during these reactions and how these conversions are taking place? Reagents. Can you name some reagents?
HCl, H2SO4, KOH, NaOH.
Okay, fine. Yesterday I gave you one home funds. What was it?
Flashcards.
So, each one of you were assigned 2 flashcards to write the name of the reactions and you will be presenting before your friends. Are you ready for it?
Yes.
Yesterday we had a rhythm. Come on, come on.
Come on, turn the radio on. It's Friday night and won't be long.
Can we apply this rhythm to our organic chemistry name reactions? Are you ready for it?
Yes.
You named 4 reactions, isn't it? What were they?
Aldol condensation, Cannizzaro reaction, Figurstein reaction, Schwarz reaction.
Yes, good. Can we have the rhythm now?
Aldol condensation, Cannizzaro reaction, Figurstein reaction, Schwarz reaction.
One more set, what was it?
Coates reaction, Riemann reaction, coupling reaction, Woods reaction.
Come on, try this rhythm.
Coates reaction, Riemann reaction, coupling reaction, Woods reaction.
Did you enjoy it?
Yes.
You can apply these name reactions in all the name reactions so that you will by heart it very easy. In all these conversions, either nucleophilic substitution or electrophilic substitution, hydrolysis, oxidation or elimination of simpler molecules, reduction may take place. Okay, name some functional groups. You told already.
Aldehydes, ketones, alcohols, acids.
In all these reactions, one functional group may be converted to another functional group. Okay, now by enjoying these conversions, you can apply to any of the conversions. It will be difficult to by heart all the conversions. You apply these ideas and the rhythm of the name of the reactions to any of the application level questions. Did you understand it?
Yes.
Now listen to the statement. Phenols are converted to salicylic acid. What is the name of the reaction?
Coates reaction.
Yes, good. Phenols are converted to salicylaldehyde. What is the name of the reaction?
Riemann reaction.
Yes. Phenols are converted to azobenzene. What is the name of the reaction?
Coupling reaction.
What is the name of the reagent?
Sodium hydroxide.
You understood it? Can we have this rhythm? Join with me.
Phenols are converted to salicylic acid. Phenols are converted to salicylaldehyde. Phenols are converted to azobenzene in the presence of sodium hydroxide.
Did you like it?
Yes.
So by this way you can practice very easily the name reactions and its conversions. You can create your own rhythm and enjoy organic chemistry learning. Did you understand it?
Yes.
Now, next is our role play. Each one of you have brought two flashcards with the organic naming reactions written on it. Isn't it? Are you ready to present it?
Yes.
In your presentation, you must be vibrant, active, energetic and audible so that the entire class will be benefited. You can exchange your flashcards and after the presentation, you can display very neatly in the class notice board. So each and every minute in your break time also, you can enjoy learning the organic chemistry. Okay, now let me invite the first group of students to present it. Wish you all the best.
And coupling reaction. My reactant is benzene disonium chloride and phenol. My reagent is KOH and my product is para-hydroxyazobenzene.
And aldol condensation. My reactant is 2 molecules of acetaldehyde with alpha hydrogen atom. My reagent is dilute NaOH. My product is 2-hydroxybutanol.
I'm Finkelstein reaction. My reactants are ethyl chloride and sodium iodide. My reagent is dry acetone. My products are ethyl iodide and sodium chloride.
I am Stephen reduction. My reactant is methyl cyanide. My reagents are SnCl2 and HCl. My product is acetylene.
I am Etard reaction. My reactant is toluene. My reagents are chromyl chloride and CCl4 and my product is benzaldehyde.
I'm Sandmeyer reaction. My reactant is aniline. My reagents are NaNO2 and hydrogen halide, and my product is benzene diazonium halide.
I am Cope's reaction. My reactant is phenol. My reagents are NaOH and CO2 and my product is salicylic acid.
And diazotization. My reactant is aniline. My reagent is NaNO2 or HCl. My product is benzene diazonium chloride.
I am Helmholtz-Zielinski reaction. My reactant is acetic acid. My reagents are chlorine and red phosphorus. My product is trichloroacetic acid.
I'm Rosenman reaction. My reactants are benzene chloride, reagent palladium and PaSO4, and product benzaldehyde.
I am Gatterman reaction. My reactant is benzene diazonium chloride and my reagent is CuNHCl and my product is chlorobenzene.
I am Gatterman-Coates reaction. My reactant is benzene. My reagents are carbon monoxide, hydrogen chloride and anhydrous aluminum chloride. And my product is benzaldehyde.
Nice presentations. Give a good applause for yourselves. Now you can see the worksheets in your hands. The same worksheets are displayed in the slides also. So the name of the reaction, reactant, reagent, products are displayed in these slides. You can view it, compare it. Now the questions are presented in 3 sets, set 1, set 2 and set 3. You would have done your maths following in your lower classes, isn't it? Yes. Do you like it? Yes. You enjoy doing it, isn't it? The same manner, the name of the reactions are written in the left hand side. In the right hand side, you can see that the name of the reactant, reagent and products are written on the right hand side. So your duty is to match them. By this way, you can prepare any number of matching reactions according to your thinking ability. So you will be thorough with all the name reactions. Totally how many name reactions we have? 25 or more than 25. So you cannot by heart all these reactions without proper understanding. You should know the name of the reagent, name of the reaction, specific reactant, specific product. So all the ideas are interconnected and interrelated. You will have to learn them, by heart them, meaningfully understand them, then apply these in the conversions. Now start doing your worksheets. Your time starts now. Hope you completed your worksheets.
Yes.
To teach is to touch a heart. Hope we have touched your hearts. Enjoy learning organic chemistry without stress. Smile more.
Score more.